Okay, this time we're gonna find the derivative of a smaller equation, a bit more simpler also. Now, first off, we're gonna have our equation. It's f(x) equals x to the fifth power plus x to the third power. For this type of equation, we're gonna use rule number 2 to find its derivative. Rule number 2 states that power rule: if n is a rational number, then d over dx parentheses x to the n power close parenthesis equals nx to n power minus 1. It's maybe a bit more. It's a bit complicated explaining the exact term how it is, but it's a lot easier if you see it in like an example, like now. Okay, this is the problem yet again. First, we're gonna have our first digit, x to the fifth power. So remember, d over dx states that x is the x, 5 is the n. So for this formula, we're going to put the 5 here, the n, the 5 represents the n in this occasion, the x, which is normally this, the 5 yet again because it's n, minus 1. And if you solve this, which is 5 minus 1, will be 5x equals 4, to the fourth power. I'm sorry. This equation, exact same thing. D over dx equals x to the third power. The same formula. This time, n represents 3, or 3 represents n, however way you want to look at it. X is still x. You put the 3 in the power of x minus 1, which will give you 3x to the second power. We put both digits combined, you find the common number between those two, which is x to the second power, so it will be x to the second power, parentheses 5x to the second power plus 3, and that's how you get your derivative.